So welcome back, and yes, we're gonna continue with PUMA, and this time I wanna show you the gear knob. Should be fairly easy to remove, as you can see here. If you wanna change it, you just need to turn it on the left side. So to make it, unscrew it. Oh, this is kind of long, and yeah, as you can see here, this was a 6-speed. This one spring, you don't want to lose that one. So, and if you have another one you want to change, you just go and turn it around, so until it's really strong. There is lots of and then you just set up so it's right like that. So yeah, but if you need to change as well this ladder underneath, so first thing you have to do is unscrew it all the way up, and then you should use these plastics and click. You can feel where the joints are here on this side, and I believe somewhere around here, but here and here for sure. So these two you wanna like this. I hope you saw. So like that, and then it's just take it out. So here you can see, and yeah, so when you put the new one in, just go like this. So like that, click it here, click it back, and get the one back on the screw. So once again here, best like this with this plastic, somewhere around here. So most easy way to take it out. And yeah, that's about that. If that's all you wanted to do, so it's not that hard. So yeah, I hope this helped. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and we will continue with climate control and hand rest and things like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see ya in the next one. So till next one, see ya.